Now at 7, with the coronavirus cases and deaths continuing to rise at record pace, Vice President Mike Pence and members of the White House task force addressed the national crisis for the first time in months this afternoon. Dr. Deborah Burke said it's a call to action.
It really shows the country as a whole and why we're asking every American to remain vigilant, to do those things that we have been asking you all to do, to wear a mask, to physically distance, to continue your hand hygiene.
It comes as the CDC warns Americans to avoid traveling this Thanksgiving. The alarming rise is also being documented here in Florida. The Key West City Commission amended the city's mask ordinance, now requiring masks be worn by everyone who steps foot outside. We're also hearing for the first time in weeks from Governor Ron DeSantis, not on mitigation efforts, but on vaccines and therapeutics.
The state's health department reports more than 9,000 cases since yesterday and 81 additional deaths.
More than 2,900 of those new cases were in South Florida. Miami-Dade reported 1,945 new cases. There were 902 new cases in Broward and 73 in Monroe County. 10 more deaths were reported across Dade and Broward. CBS 4's Ty Russell is in Miami with the latest on this, including this message from the governor. Ty.
I talked to a doctor today, Carly, who told me numbers are going in the wrong direction here in South Florida. And he also told me about the tough decision he has had to make ahead of the holiday. And he explains why you need to be making that same decision. The COVID-19 infection rate is rising. In a recorded message from Governor Ron DeSantis, he makes no mention about it.
There will be roughly 40 million doses of these two vaccines available, 25 million for Pfizer and 15 million for Moderna. Each individual requires 2 doses. So that would mean there would be enough vaccine for 20 million Americans by the end of December.
The governor continues focusing on vaccine distribution once the FDA approves and medicine to help those who are really sick. Dr. Olveen Carrasquillo with University of Miami Health is closely watching the increase in patients.
Surprisingly, we see the numbers going up, but if you look at our admissions in our hospitals, University of Miami and Jackson, they're nowhere where they were in July. The numbers are still relatively low.
The 2-week average positivity rate for new cases in Miami-Dade is now at 8.15%. In Broward, it's 7.51%, both well above the 5% mark, which concerns health experts. And since the CDC has seen 1 million additional cases nationally in a week, it has recommended against any traveling, ground or air, for the upcoming holiday.
I just made the very difficult decision, and we basically had Thanksgiving. We pretty much canceled Thanksgiving. It's going to be no more extended family. It's just going to be the immediate family.
Jackson Health in Miami-Dade and Memorial Healthcare System in Broward are receiving the Pfizer vaccine next month. It needs freezers like this to keep the vaccine fresh. It'll be stored at minus 70 degrees Celsius. Both hospital systems have the freezers ready. Jackson says it plans to offer it to frontline workers, long-term care staff, along with their residents and first responders. The governor says Walgreens and CVS Pharmacy will also get the vaccine to give to long-term care centers, but they're not here yet.
A lot of the other numbers going in the wrong direction, so we're very worried that the floodgates may open. That's why it's really, really important for next week that we avoid these gatherings.
When it comes to the push from Florida mayors for the state to offer more testing, especially because of the long lines, and to implement a statewide mask mandate, the governor hasn't responded to their requests. And we are well aware this is all tough information to take in, especially over the holiday season. However, the UM health doctor told me there is hope, because next year this time, it's likely we will not be dealing with anything like what we are dealing with right now. But he does want people to stay safe, especially during the holiday season, so we don't see numbers continue to spike. We are live in Miami tonight. I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News.